Hello, my name is Haley Tigner. I am here to bring you this public service announcement on behalf of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The President of the United States has declared the state of Vermont as a major disaster area. Currently, residents of Vermont are experiencing the wrath of Hurricane Bob. This storm has already made its way through the Caribbean, where torrential damage has occurred. This hurricane has also been classified as a Category 1 storm. We know that this storm comes rather unexpected to the residents, as this is not an area where these types of natural disasters tend to strike. New York was anticipated to receive the greater wake of the storm, however, since then this has turned more inland, thus causing the damage to concentrate in Vermont. As of right now, Hurricane Bob has left around 11 inches of rain, causing severe flooding. The rivers have raised high enough to wash out roads, bridges, and highways. The Vermont Emergency Management Agency reports that every state road in the state is currently closed. This is leaving many residents unreachable. Millions are currently without power. We have reports of numerous casualties and multiple missing persons. If you have a loved one missing, we please urge you to contact FEMA so that our team is able to assist you. We are strongly urging that if you are somewhere safe and have an adequate supply of food and safe drinking water, that you stay put. Please do not venture out in the storm, as the flooding is causing very dangerous traveling conditions. If you are currently with power, we urge that you call and contact FEMA if you know of someone near you that is without or in need of help. The FEMA team, in efforts with local and state government help, are doing their best to make their way to those in need. They are allocating what resources are available to provide residents with safe food and drinking water. Please do not drink any of the water from the overflowed rivers. There are many volunteers that have made themselves available to offer assistance, as the state is in serious need of help. Additional resources are coming in with help. Again, we strongly urge that you are in an area experiencing extreme flooding, that you please stay where you are in order to ensure your safety. If you are able to safely help someone, please do. If you or someone near you are in need of assistance, please, if you are able, reach out to emergency services. Thank you, Vermont, and stay safe.